Too much gear, creativity stall. DSA all-in-one, integrated hardware and software. One device handles all your creative needs. The ultimate solution for game streamers. Enjoy one-click streaming, both horizontal and vertical modes supported. No lag and high performance with the loop-out function. Instant mobile game casting. Switch between landscape and portrait modes seamlessly. Interactive components ignite your streaming. That helps you dominate every operation. Multiple platforms supported. Engage with more viewers. Multi-stream via TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and other applications or RTMP streams. So easy to cover numerous platforms. DSA, limitless creation, endless display. DSA, one-click operation, worry-free file transfer. Submerged DSA, brand new streaming and recording.